Hey guys, this is Dolly back for the second video in our series here. We're trying to understand how the string class works, and this is where we left off. We initialized a couple of variables. We've initialized and declared one, which is the one where we assign the value cat here. We've also assigned a value to a previously initialized variable, which was animal, and we've assigned it the value dog using the assign function authored by the string class, and we've printed them. We got what we expected. So now, in this video, we are going to do four things. We're going to declare a new string using concatenation, which is the plus sign. We're going to use the overloaded operator plus equal to add a new string, to add additional string to a string that's already that already exists. We're going to use append to do the same thing, and we're going to modify a string at a given index. So without any delay, let's get right to it. So we're going to use concatenation. So let's create a new string. Let's call it butterfly. Now, so concatenation allows you to use a string that already existed with something else, or another string to make a new string. So let's use animal one, which was cat, and this is our operator here. And then so now we use pillar to it to make the string caterpillar. Now let's print this. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Okay, so we got what we expected. We used the concatenation operator plus to add new content to a string that already existed. Now let's use the plus equal operator, which is essentially kind of like the increment operator for ants, for integers, I should say. And now let's use that to see if we can add new content to a string that already existed. Now let's we have dog up there, so let's do something with that. So animal plus equal. Let's add the new string is man's best friend. Okay, now let's print that and see what we get. Now we can just copy this print statement here. Well, actually, we have it already. Let's do that. So let's see what we got. Dog is man's best friend. So we've used the overloaded operator plus equal to actually add some new content to an already existing string animal. Now let's use append to do essentially the same thing. What about butterfly? Let's use butterfly to show this. Butterfly.append. And then we can have new content is turning into a moth. Okay, we can print butterfly. We already have that statement. Let's just copy it and put it here. Let's see what we got. Caterpillar is turning into a moth. Fairly simple. Now the next step here is to modify these strings at a given place. So we have cat up here. Let's say we want that to be rat. So animal1, we're going to modify that using brackets and giving a given index, which in that case is 0. So that's the letter C, the first letter of cat. And we're going to change that into R. Now for this to be a success, you have to use a character. You can't use a string as I'm showing here, because that would be a syntax error, and that would not work. So let's print animal1. You can use that butterfly here for quickness. Animal1. Animal1. Now let's see what we got. Okay, so we got what we expected. We used concatenation operator plus to add erpiller to cat to get caterpillar. We used the plus equal operator to add some new content to a string that already existed. We've used the append to essentially do the same thing as the overloaded operator plus equal, and we've modified a string at a given index. So this was the video for this. This was what the content is for this video, and hopefully you guys are learning from this, and and so subscribe if you like these videos and would like to have more. And we'll see you next time. In the next video, actually, we're gonna compare some strings and see what more we can do with them. All right, thanks guys. See you next time.